while we have means that I can publish these reports on websites, which is basically that's very easy.
Yeah, yes, yeah. I don't know that one. It's sure.
And also, of course, you can also embed it in our in other products. So which is also very easy. So the Radek, if you could show how to embed in onto website, and then our technical engineer will show you how basically do other stuff, things for embedding.
Okay. Okay.
So if you would like to, for example, here we've got a chart. You would like to put this chart into your web page. So in order to do this, here is option share or export to view. And if we hit a click on it, you got here a few options. You can export it as a PDF file, as a PNG, and the last option is that you can create new embed. So here, if you hit a click on create new embed, then new iframe will be created. And if you just copy this iframe directly into your web page, then it will be displayed in this way. So I will just copy this iframe, and I will create here a new custom content view, and just put this iframe here, and then this chart maybe take some time to load it, but let me show you. Yeah, you can see it now. So here, just like this, you can display, for example, charts, table, KPI, or map from Bellarati directly in your web page. A nice example here, you got. You can also access it. It's our customer in Canada, and they've created a web page, and in our Bellarati cloud, they created a sample report, and their problem was just to publish the tables and the charts. So they just used these iframes and put them into their web page here, and just everyone who is accessing their web page is able to see the charts in to see the charts in their web page. Is it clear?
Access can be limited to this web page depending on authorization.
Would like to everyone to access it, you can do it. Or if you would like to only authorized users to see it, it can be done this way.
Okay.
We cannot cover everything, but we have also quite comprehensive geodata module, so where we have also basically many functions. If you are aware what GeoClick can do, basically we can do the same. And now I would like that our technical engineer will take over, and he will basically briefly show you some embedding options, because there are more options for embedding. Radek showed you the simplest one, basically take the link and publish on web page. But there are also ways which are not very complex, but a little bit more complex, so that our technical engineer will now show you the options.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So my name is Lubomir Jelko. I'm technical engineer in Bellarati, and I will present you embedding options and extensibility in Bellarati. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, great. So I will move forward. The first option of embedding in Bellarati was already presented by Radek a couple of seconds ago. It works like embedding videos from YouTube. If you are using this web portal or something like that, so you can embed charts, tables, or any other type of view to your application. Doesn't matter if it is portal application, if it is web application, if it is some other kind of. You can embed this HTML tag directly to your web page, static or dynamic, and do some options or apply some options, for example, to size, if the title should be displayed, if authentication should be applied, and so on and so on. So, as I said, you can embed charts or entire dashboard to your web page. It can be animals or authenticated mode. You can do some single sign-on authentication process here. So, for example, if your application are using single sign-on like Kerberos, SAML, or any other protocol are using, you can apply this single sign-on workflow also to these iframes. We have also URL signatures, and you can, as I said, you can pass some parameters like filtering and so on to your HTML tag. As already Radek showed to you, there are a couple of customers that are using these iframes, and he already showed you the results. So we can skip this slide. As I mentioned, you can use iframes with single sign-on. So as you can see, if you have some portal application or some other web application using single sign-on, you can provide or you can pass this single sign-on workflow to also iframes. The next step in embedding or extensibility of Velarity is white labeling. I'm not sure if Radek already presented this. It is some kind of customizing UI of whole Velarity application. You can change, for example, default logo, application name, style sheets. You can change login page. You can change email layout. You can change also layout and look and feel in PDF that we are exporting, like exports of reports or dashboards. And for example, we can look on some examples. I'm not sure if I will be able to change the screen that I'm presenting right now. Wait a second. Yep, I think you should see my screen now when we can see customized login page that are using that is used by one of our customer, and we can so this is white labeling, and we can also I can do some showcase of customizing style sheet. Wait a second, my application is starting right now. Yeah, so this is standardized login page. And oh, wait a second, I have to log in as a domain administrator to change a domain look and feel. So I can manage domain and change look and feel, for example, logo, menu color, menu text color, and so on and so on. If I apply these, you can see that the look and feel was already changed. I can also provide some customized CSS style. For example, if I apply style sheet, and I want to change the direction or text alignment